here are my design choices I made for the infographic, and justifications for my choices. All theories of visual perception were used to design the infographic. The theories describe people's inherent ability to visually organize different elements into groups to help understand what they are seeing. I use principles of proximity here to show that the figures are related to each other and that visually they make sense to be near one another. I also use focal points in my design to help display visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchy in design implies levels of importance in the arrangement. I used a dominant focal point here and a subdominant focal point here. Principles of alignment so that elements on my infographic were not scattered around the page. Horizontal alignment was a design principle used for the infographic, meaning elements are arranged to a left or right edge. To achieve color harmony, I implemented a monochromatic color scheme for the background and used color contrast in my figures to highlight data elements, as you can see here and here. And please let me know if you have any questions about my design choices.